Hello everybody. Guess what day it is today? It's Friday. Woo! So, it's time for some yoga. It's time for some movement. Today, we are actually going to use music. So we're going to do a little bit of movement to a song. And I bet this is a song that you know well. And then, and it just has a little bit of movement, but it's definitely like a nice little song to sing and move. So, this I actually got from Kids Yoga Stories. I really love Kids Yoga Stories. They have lots of good ideas, and I thought it was cute. So, if you're ready, and you're ready to sing, I'm ready to sing. Come with me. And we will sing this song. So, how many of you know If You're Happy and You Know It? You know the song, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. I bet everyone watching just said, I know that song, I know that song. Okay, so we're going to change it up just a little bit, and we're going to be doing some yoga with it. So, if you're ready, now let me just tell you, Miss Amy loves to sing. And I don't even care if I don't sound amazing doing it because I love music and I love to sing. So we're going to sing together. So if you're ready, stand up tall. Oh, that gives away what we're going to do first. You ready? Sing with me. If you're happy and you know it, stand up tall. That's what we're doing. If you're happy and you know it, stand real tall. If you're happy and you know it, then your body will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stand real tall. Can you stand tall? Maybe take your shoulders down away from your ears. Maybe think about your head getting taller, like somebody's got a string attached and you pull through the top of your head. Awesome. Okay, we're going to take a deep breath this time. So if you're ready, if you're happy and you know it, breathe real big. Make sure you're still standing up tall. If you're happy and you know it, breathe real big. If you're happy and you know it, then your body will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, breathe real big. Make sure you're still standing tall. Okay, you ready for the next one? If you're happy and you know it, reach your arms up high. Reach high. If you're happy and you know it, reach your arms up high. Reach, reach, reach. If you're happy and you know it, then your body will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, reach real high. Now, we're going to do all three. We have to stand tall, we have to breathe real big, and we have to reach our hands up high. You ready? If you're happy and you know it, stand up tall, breathe real big, reach real high. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Stand up tall, breathe really big, reach up high. If you're happy and you know it, then your body will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Stand up tall, breathe real big, reach real high. Oh, how do you feel? That was so awesome. You could put all kinds of moves with that song. So you could stretch your legs out. You could do all kinds of things. You could twist. So that is a fun song to move your body in lots of yoga ways. So, I hope you have an awesome, awesome weekend with lots of sunshine. And we're going to change up how we say the ending today. So first, in your head, I want you to say, peace in my mind. And then point to your lips and say, peace when I speak. Put your hands over your heart and say, peace in my heart. And finally, namaste. Thank you. Those activities today were from, like I said, Kids Yoga Stories. I love Giselle from Kids Yoga Stories. So if you want more of those fun things, if you're an adult, feel free to look up some of her fun activities or follow her because she's really great. So have an awesome weekend. I'll see you next week. For more yoga. We will have a couple of days next week where we're going to do mindfulness in the mornings so you can start out your day with some yoga. So we're changing it up just a little bit. But can't wait to see you next week. Enjoy the sunshine if you have sunshine where you are, and I'll see you then.